Hello guys, we're gonna play Fat Baby and I think we're gonna be big today, I hope. If we're
the
not
baby
going
is hoping
bigger.
too.
Yeah?
Yeah,
What?
the baby is hoping too to be bigger.
Yeah.
This.
There's going to be very much police, I think, today. And it just why is my flying power is not working today? I don't know why. Why is my flying power is not working?
Maybe it's
fly.
small.
Well, let's go into this is vomited. Let's go eat into another store. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yes, still.
Okay, you see, I'm a lot bigger now. I'm freaking, wow, so many kids are chasing me. Just need to vomit on those kids. Yes. Now edible? What the?
What?
Ow.
The building is edible.
No, this is edible. Ow. Yes. Freaking fireman. Follow me. I can eat trees now.
You are sure, though?
Give me those trees.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. I need to go. Yeah, trash. Yes. This is very good for me. Look, I'm big. Freaking fireman. Not going to kill me. Just vomiting all over. Fireman. Get out of here. I need to eat the fireman to get more health. Yes. Overpowering. Oh no. Police?
Police?
Yes.
Car.
Wait.
Too big?
Kids can eat cars. Yeah. Fire truck me. Die. I need to run. Eat these people. Get over there. Eat the trash. Freaking destroying everything I am. Buildings are edible now?
Wow.
Well, yeah. Oh yes.
Oh, we can eat the building.
Come here. Come here, fire trucks. I can eat you now. Yeah. The cars are still can attack me. The cars.
How big you are?
Yeah. I'm very big.
Sure.
Eat the tree. Eat the tree parts. Where's those freaking kids? Look at me! I'm freaking eating everything. prestige? I don't want a prestige. Ow. Stop it, here. Fireman. I'm gonna get out of here, you know? Vomit. Vomiting. Yeah! I'm Beast, baby. Mr. Beast. You hear how I'm... You hear it?
Mm-hmm. That's your belly rumbling.
No, that's
No?
my footsteps. What do you mean?
Footsteps. Huh?
Footsteps. I need cars. Yes! I can eat cars! I'm eating all of the cars. Oh, hi, neighbors. Oopsie. I'm just going to the lawn, you know? I'm just cutting the lawn with my footsteps. I can, like, eat everything now, you know? Or I eat all of the trash bins. Policeman? What the? Come here, you policeman. Grr.
You're size of a building, yeah?
Yeah. Mmm. Cars. I'm on the building. Look at me. I'm freaking the size of like all of the trees. Oh, look at the policeman trying to get me, but you know, much policeman trying to get me. Nobody's going to get me, but the again prestige 2 times now. But me, I don't want to, you know. Look, I destroyed the car. Yeah, look. I just ate the car bits. My puke is very big, but you know.
What else can you
What
eat?
the? Yeah, out of here. I think the buildings I can eat.
No.
Ugh. Can't eat buildings. Police cars? What?
They're shooting at you, what are they doing?
Look at my health.
Big bar.
I'm monster baby. This is pretty fun, you know. I'm gonna go in the city. Still can't eat buildings. I think I need a new power to destroy buildings, you know?
So you have to take prestige?
Yeah, but I'm not going to take the prestige, you know?
But if you took, you could eat.
Oh, look at my health. Oh, look at my health, but
It's going down.
I'm gonna climb on the building. Now they can get me. Yeah! Puking on all of those peasants. I'm safe up here. Look at that mouth.
Look at that beautiful.
Oh no.
Oh.
What the? What the
What is going crazy, huh?
What the?
They want to chase you. But they can. So,
This is a little bit weird. I'm gonna run, okay?
A big event, huh?
I'm gonna run, okay?
Okay, run.
What the? Run, 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 run. Wow. Oh no, I think I'm gonna die.
No, do not die. How big you are. But you can eat the buildings.
I can't. I need a special power.
Prestige. To take prestige.
No, I can't eat buildings because I need a special power.
How to get that special power?
I need a prestige to unlock the powers.
Then do it.
I wanna be bigger. You know,
Ah, okay.
I wanna be very big. Look at those fucking vans. How upgraded they are. Vomit. I'm just vomiting on the road. You know? Free vomit for all of the people. Oh! No, no! Go, go!
Look at your health.
Oh, I died.
No. You dying? No.
I died.
Best cute prestige.
No. Nobody is caring about me. Means thanks for watching and bye.